Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending May 19th, all of the three major indexes were up as investors were optimistic about a debt ceiling resolution and had less fear regarding regional bank solvency. The May U.S. Empire Manufacturing Index fell 42.6, posting its biggest monthly decline since April of 2020. Retail sales increased by a less than expected 0.04% in April. However, while a strong labor market is supporting strong spending, near record credit card balance increases released by the Fed may suggest that consumers are stretching themselves. Industrial production increased by a more than expected 0.5% in April after being flat for two consecutive months. The NAHB Housing Market Index increased to 50 in May compared to 45 in April, as it continues to show signs of stabilization. Privately owned housing starts increased 2.2%, while declining by 22.3% compared to last April. Building permits for privately owned housing units were down 1.5% in April compared to March and were down 21.2% compared to last April. Initial jobless claims decreased by 22,000 to 242,000 during the week ending May 13th. Existing home sales fell for the second consecutive month in April, suffering from higher mortgage rates and a tight inventory of homes for sale. And finally, the leading economic index fell for the 13th consecutive month in April, which usually implies that the U.S. economy is bound to enter a recession in the near term. Year to date, the Dow is up 0.8%, the S&P is up 9.2%, and the Nasdaq is up 20.9%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.7%. Oil closed at $71.98 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,976.70 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.95 an ounce. For this week of May 22nd, Tuesday we'll get the U.S. Services PMI and the Manufacturing PMI, which are indexes that indicate prevailing economic trends in the services and manufacturing sectors. We'll also get new home sales on Tuesday. On Wednesday, the minutes of the May Federal Reserve meeting will be disclosed. Thursday, we'll get the first revision of GDP for the first quarter, corporate profits, initial jobless claims, and pending home sales. And on a busy Friday, durable goods orders, personal income, personal spending, advanced wholesale and retail inventories, consumer sentiment, and the PCE index, or Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, which is a measure of consumer spending on goods and services. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.